Hello everyone, welcome back to another trading session. Today I will take 5 or 6 trades. I will try to take best possible trades, and this is going to be my first trade. I'm expecting a green candle right here, and that's why I go with the bars. And the market is in a range. In a bigger picture, it has been this price channel, and now we are at this huge QM. Okay, so in general, this is a bars area for me. That's why I take this buy. And the setup here is an engulfing pattern. We got the retracement, we created the higher high. So everything is with the bars here. If we could have a gap down here, it would be a confirmation for us to take the trade. Also, the other reason here that the bars are strong is this failed supply, which becomes demand, right? So normally, let me just mark another supply for you. So this is the supply, right? This is supply. This is supply. And supply means seller's area and demand means buyer's area. And they normally reject as somewhere that the sellers are sitting there. And if we have aggressive breakout from the supply area, just like this one, it becomes a demand. Just like a support broken becomes a resistance. Just like that. So all in all, we took this trade. And it was a winning trade. Let's go to the next pair. I will try to find some good trades today. But I want to take a buy right here. Again, with the minor trend. If I go back to lower time frame, this is an engulfing pattern, right? It's causing a breakout. So there should be some demand area right inside of it. So if the price comes down here, it will reject again. So after this trade, I will go to lower time frame and I will try to find, yes, this is the demand area. Market would 100% react from this demand, but now it's just too far back up. So I'm not going to just wait for it. We have another engulfing pattern. Always try to go with the in the direction of the trend. In this particular case, the market is moving this way. You can tell that. But if you zoom back, you can see that the major trend is moving also this way. So we can have this movement right here. This is how you detect market's direction. It's just a little bit of common sense, you know. Let me just wait for this. It's coming down to the area that I talked about earlier. This area. Hold on. 10 seconds. Yes, this area. If the price comes down here, I will take a buy. I don't think the price will drop this much here. It will react from this zone right here. That's why I don't see any trade here. Okay, same thing here. Let me just mark this demand zones for you. When you have an engulfing pattern before a breakout, there's something inside of it as a fresh demand. Okay, I will mark these two areas for you so you can see. All right, in 10 seconds, this would be a fresh demand for that engulf, and this would be the fresh demand for the newer engulf. And you see how it rejected. If we were entering here, it would close right here. We would win the trade. But price hasn't reached to this area now, so we don't have any trade. I will just move on to the next pair. All right, we have another engulf, but this engulf is not causing a breakout. It's not causing a breakout. If the engulf was something like this, it was causing a breakout, it would be strong. But now it's just not causing a breakout. That's why I'm not going to take any trade here. All right. Or if you want to take such a trade, just go very small. If you want to use the free 100% bonus codes for your deposit, just join the Telegram channel. There will be bonus code on every Wednesday. I also share my students' results in Telegram channel and mentorship announcements. So if you're interested, use the first link in the description to join the channel. If this candle comes down here, I will take this trade right here. Come on. Okay, I go 2 trades. Let's go. Finally, my zone has been triggered. This zone we were talking about. And I'm expecting a rejection. That was a winning trade. I will just move on to the next pair. About these 2 setups, these are ABCs, right? So ABCs have something inside of them, okay? So market moves in layers, and those layers are these time frames, okay? For supply and demand, we use time frames for only support trading supply and demand. And when you have, this is called a demand area, a big demand, okay? But can we take all the supply and demand in the chart? No, of course. If you take all of them, you're not going to win. You're not going to just constantly, you're not going to be consistent with making money. You have to detect the ones are, you know, the key ones. For example, this one or this one. And go to lower time frame on them and detect the supply fresh. For example, for this one, this is the fresh demand area. Basically your entry. And for this one, we don't see nothing here. We go 1 step lower until we see fresh demand. And this would be the entry. Some of you ask about the drawing tool. It's called Epic Pen. You can just find it in the Telegram channel. You can use the first link in the description to join the Telegram channel. I'm waiting for another. Oh, we already hit the take profit. I think I'm just going to stop right here. I hope you enjoyed. It was a quick session, I guess, and it was a clean market. If you're interested to become one of my students and start learning, check the Telegram channel. First link in the description. There's more detail about the mentorship. Thank you for watching, everybody, and peace out.